Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the cryptocurrency converter right here on CoinMarketCap. And if you want to do this, the first thing that we are going to do is we click right here on products and then we go to converter. Then right here we can fill in the quantity and then you fill in right here the token to what you want to calculate. So right now we do 1 Bitcoin. And we want to calculate it to US dollars. And then right here you see what 1 Bitcoin is in US dollars. But if you want to change this to, let's say, Solana, for example, you see right here how much 1 Solana is right here in US dollars. Now you can also do this for Euro or maybe something else. So maybe we do this for Bitcoin. Then you see right here that 1 Solana is at this moment this in Bitcoin. This is how you can convert right here cryptocurrency, and hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.